Hi there, I'm Eddie Coleman, General Manager of Complete Exteriors here in Pearl, Mississippi. As we welcome in a new year, I want to express my gratitude for choosing Complete Exteriors for your roofing and gutter needs in 2023. Because of your business, we were able to be a part of the Catch a Dream Foundation and provide a fully paid trip of a lifetime for a child and their family that has a critical illness. Our ability to do this was 100% a result of your business and referrals from you, our customers. As a very small token of our appreciation, we are rolling out an exclusive offer just for you. If you refer anyone to Complete Exteriors this month, you will receive a $100 Lowe's gift card as our way of saying thanks. We want to be able to continue making dreams come true in 2024, and that starts with you. Simply respond to this email or complete the form using the button below to enter and read over all the details. Thank you so much.